ID mobile signal problems often arise from distance to cell towers, obstructions like buildings, device limitations, or network congestion. Signal strength is measured in dBm, decibel milliwatts. Aim for above 100 dBm for a usable signal. ID Mobile uses L5G bands, but walls can still weaken signals. Since ID Mobile uses 3UK's network, 3's coverage directly impacts your signal. The quickest fixes often involve toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest tower. Additionally, simply restarting your phone can resolve temporary software glitches affecting signal reception. Do this before trying more complex solutions. To optimize signal on ID Mobile, first ensure LTE or 5G is enabled in your phone settings. This allows faster data speeds and better connectivity. Disable Wi-Fi temporarily to force your phone to use cellular data. This helps test and confirm signal strength on the ID Mobile network. Check for and install the latest operating system updates for iOS or Android. These updates often include improvements to network handling that can boost signal performance. Outdated software can negatively impact signal performance. Always keep your phone updated to maintain optimal connectivity with ID Mobile. The ID Mobile app includes built-in signal diagnostics to help identify weak areas. The app was updated in Q4 2025 and offers automatic network switching to improve reception in areas with poor signal. This feature connects your device to the strongest available signal band, optimizing your connection. For consistently weak signals in homes or offices, consider external antennas or signal boosters to amplify reception. These devices connect to your device and boost signal strength by amplifying weak cellular signals. Signal boosters are legal under Ofcom rules in the UK. Research and purchase a booster compatible with ID Mobile's frequencies, such as LTE and 5G bands. Also, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted to avoid any registration issues that could affect connectivity. Since ID Mobile operates on 3UK's network, consult 3's official coverage maps, often accessible via the ID app or 3's website. These maps provide insights into signal strength in your specific location. This helps you identify areas where signal is expected to be strong or weak. Network congestion can cause signal issues, especially during peak hours when many users are online. This high usage slows down network performance and affects signal strength. Signs of network congestion include bandwidth limitation, high latency, connection timeouts, packet loss, and packet retransmission. If you suspect congestion, try using your phone during off-peak times like evenings, weekends, or early mornings when network traffic is lighter. Be aware of planned maintenance or outages in your area that might temporarily affect signal. Check the ID Mobile app or website for outage notifications. Contact ID Mobile support to report ongoing issues. Use the app, call their helpline, or email for assistance with persistent signal problems. The future of signal fixes emphasizes software and AI. AI-driven apps will predict weak spots and suggest optimal network settings, making troubleshooting easier for users. The adoption of 6G promises ultra-reliable, low-latency signals, potentially eliminating poor reception issues by 2030 through advanced mesh networks and edge computing. To illustrate the potential, compare download speeds. 5G offers 10 gigabytes per second, while 6G reaches 10,000 gigabytes per second, dramatically reducing download times. Stay informed about these advancements to leverage future solutions and ensure the best mobile experience as technology evolves.